Good day, family. Once more, we are here today. Like the video, subscribe, like the comments. Today we are making Bulayi rice with chicken and eggs. Here we have our spices: tomato, fresh tomato, green, red and yellow pepper. We have our chili, our onion, ginger and lemon. We have our whole chicken that we have there. And these are the veg we can use, or if not, you can leave in our rice. As you can see, we have everything here. We're gonna start. We blend everything. We put oil when the oil is hot in the pot, and then we add our tomato, onion, whatever I've shown you there. You start frying. You can see I put together. Now you take the bay leaves. You add a bay leaves in the tomato sauce. This is our black pepper. You add black pepper. This garlic and herb. You mix together in the tomato sauce. You take turmeric. It gives colors and so healthy also. You mix in the sauce. You take the stock, one sachet. You add also salt. You turn it together, as you can see. Turn it. These are chicken and herb. We add in this tomato sauce that we are frying. As you can see, it's frying. You turn it. It must be well fried. Well fried. The heat must not be so high. You clean your rice now, as you can see. You put your rice inside the tomato sauce, the one we are frying. You put it inside. You can see it's there. You can see. You turn together, you start mixing the rice and the sauce. The heat must not be high. We cook it in a lower heat. You turn it, you mix together, and you cover the pot. As you can see, I'm still frying the chicken, the rice. You fry your rice, you fry lower heat, must not burn. You fry it. You must take your time, you fry. You leave again for some minutes. Then you can see now it's well fried. This is now the time you can add water. You take the water, the quantity of water, you must check. You can see. You turn it. You turn it on lower heat. Now we cover, we leave it like that. Now here we have our chicken that we cut. As I told you last time, you can use vinegar or lemon juice. Today I'm using lemon juice. I'm using lemon juice to clean our chicken. When the chicken is clean with lemon juice or vinegar, even the taste is different. You can try it yourself, you tell me. After cleaning the chicken, we bring the chicken, we put on the cutting board. I will put line. I will cut the chicken to put some line, because the chicken, we are not going to boil it. I will start frying it just like that. That's why I'm cutting, so that the spice, when the spice come in, the chicken will be tasty. You can see what I'm doing. Be careful with the knife. Don't hurt yourself. You see, cutting the chicken. Still cutting our chicken. Now here we're checking the rice. We can see the rice is ready. As you can see the color, it's so nice. We put it aside. Now we take the frying pan. We want to start with our chicken. You can use oil, but here we're using butter. You can use butter. If you don't have enough, you take butter, you can add with oil, or butter with some olive oil. It depends what you have. Yes, as you can see, I'll put it together there. I will start spicing the chicken. We start with salt. I put salt. Salt, as you can see. I put salt in the chicken. This is our garlic and herb. And we spice our chicken. Use also nutmeg. Put nutmeg. These are chicken and herb. We put together to mix to spices. To spice it. The oil is hot. We start putting our chicken fried. Just be careful. As you can see how goldish it is. Side. Wow. Yeah. Now when everything is fried, as you can see, you see the color, the onion that you have chopped, you chop it and then you put on top of the chicken. See, mix with onion. This time the heat must be low, not to burn the chicken or the onion we are mixing together. I will take the red and our yellow peppers. This is the fresh garlic. I add fresh garlic, as you can see. Together. This one is a ginger. I use the fresh one, but I will just use the juice. As you can see, I use squeeze. I will squeeze it to have only the juice. As you can see, I squeeze it to have the juice. Yeah, you can see our heat is low. This one is a green pepper that we have cut. We add the green pepper. take the lemon, I will squeeze to get the juice. When you put lemon in the chicken, try it. It's always nice and tasty. It's frying slowly but surely. Now here, for those who like some chili, you put the chili. If you don't like it, don't put. For the aroma just to come out. Now I will take our fresh tomato, and you can see that tomato is so fresh. There's too much water inside, too much juice. The juice will come out of the tomato. See, it's frying. Now I will start. When I cover, after covering, you must add black pepper, for the tomato, all the stuff that I have added to get some taste. After black pepper, this is our nutmeg, and this one is a bay leaves. Put bay leaves inside. This is our chicken and herb. Put chicken and herb spice. Chicken stock. Cover. While frying, now we take 2 eggs. I use 2, but you can use 3, you can use 4, depend of the quantity of the chicken. I just take 2 eggs. I will beat the eggs. As you can see, after beating the eggs, I pour it on top of the chicken. The chicken is almost, you can see, we still have sauce there. We just pour it on top. Yes. You pour it on top like that. And you cover. Always I repeat, lower heat. Now the food is ready. You can see. So nice. Start dishing our chicken. Wow. As you can see, dish our chicken. The food is ready. The food is ready. Now put the rice aside. You take the rice, ready to eat. Enjoy your rice, enjoy your chicken, enjoy your food. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment and share to other people. God bless you. Bye.